and Adi Shankaracharya, Buddha Bhagwan, and Patriji. I request all these masters to help us and lead us in the path of enlightenment and give us that energy and the wisdom we need to know ourselves as God, to experience it. We may know about God, this fact, Aham Brahmasmi, but unless until we experience that, we cannot say that we are gods. God is within us, but we have to know it. So to know it, we have to do meditation. Meditation means Anapanasati. Anapanasati means the incoming breath and outgoing breath, that you are with that. Ana means incoming breath. Apana means outgoing breath. Sati means be with that. So that is observation of breath. You cannot observe your breath, but you can perceive it, you can feel it. So that sensation you have to observe through your mind eye by closing your physical eyes. So Dhyanam, it is called Dhyanam. Dhyanam means two words are there, that is Dhyana. Di means in going within. Di means within. Yana means going within. Antarmukhona. In Hindi it is called Antarmukhona, going within. See, Jesus also said, seek thy kingdom of God. Seek thy kingdom of God. People asked, what is the meaning of that? That means, he said, you have to seek for knowing about thy kingdom of where it is. You have to seek, you have to know it. You have to see it, thy kingdom of God. Then they asked, where is it? Where is thy kingdom of God? Then he said, thy kingdom of God is within. Thy kingdom of God is within. So the kingdom of God is within. So in Hinduism, we say that the body is the temple and the life force is the God. A life force in the form of breath, it is coming into the body and going out. If this breath stops, then nothing. This body is useless. One who loves you so much, your wife or husband or mother, father or children, they won't keep you in the house because it decays. They are very afraid of. So they take into the graveyard and they may burn. Like this, our body's position, condition. That means as long as this exhale and inhale, the breath goes on, we survive. So it is called that this breath is life force. So this technique we use here for the third eye opening or activation. Now you just listen to me. Later we will practice. That time I will ask you to close your eyes. Now you can open your eyes and listen to me. The first step in this, the name of this technique is Mahavatar Babaji third eye activation and opening technique or Kriya. We call it as Kriya. This Kriya is one kind of pranayam. And what we are doing every day, Anapanasati, it is Sukhamaya pranayam. So in this technique, there are 5 steps. So number 1 is Anapanasati. You know very well that Anapanasati means breathing in, breathing out. That means the inhale and exhale you have to observe with your mind eye and concentrating your mind on the inhale and exhale. That is Anapanasati. This technique was given by Lord Buddha long before, 2600 years back. But because of Jagadguru, Sadguru, and God in the human form, what I believe and all pyramid masters believe, is none other than Brahmarshi Pitamaha Subhash Patriji. He only revealed this technique to whole universe, whole world I can say. He's traveling tirelessly to each and every place to teach this technique. He took lot of struggle and pain and he started teaching. Now lakhs of people, crores of people are doing this technique and we are the one among them. We are very, very grateful to him. And because of this technique, we are very happy. We are very, very happy. Not only happy, but healthy, getting rid of many diseases. Today, because of 1 hour session, I cannot tell about me, but I have placed this video about me, how I came into meditation. Before meditation, how I was, and after meditation, how I am now in front of you is because of meditation. Otherwise, my condition must be worst and worst and worst. I must have died also. But because of meditation, I am surviving and existing very, very nicely. And that is given by Lord Buddha, but nobody taught us. Only Brahmarshi Subhash Patriji revealed this technique to everyone. I bow down to his feet and my salutations to him. My Satakoti Koti Namaskaras and Satakoti Koti Dhanyavadas to him. So, in this uh, third eye opening method, in which number 1 is Anapanasati meditation. Anapanasati, you know very well, observing our incoming breath and outgoing breath. Then how long you have to do? Each technique should be done at least minimum 10 minutes of time. Minimum. If you want, you can do for 5 minutes, then increase the time also. But at least try to do 5 minutes each technique. All 5 techniques. And later you can increase the time for 10 minutes, 50 minutes like that. And in a day you can do 3-4 times also, depending upon your time availability and your interest. So number 1 is Anapanasati. That is Sukhamaya Pranayama. And number 2 is, I didn't give the name to this. I called it as second Kriya. Second Kriya of third eye opening technique. So this you have to take your inhale, pull your inhale from your nose to the third eye. You have to pull in the sense, inhale upwards towards the third eye from the nose and exhale from the third eye to the nose. This is not difficult, very easy, but only thing is, if you are interested, you can do it. And one more thing you remember, you are God. You have that potential. You have that skill. So the moment you think, you can do it. Don't hesitate, don't justify, don't discuss, don't analyze. Don't use a logical mind. Just start and do it. Number 2, in which you have to take the inhale upwards to the third eye and bring it back to the nose. That is inhaling and exhaling. Exhale from the third eye to the nose. Inhale from the nose to the third eye. The third technique, you have to inhale and exhale from the third eye. You may ask, it is difficult. It is not at all difficult. Maybe from the nose you may be inhaling and exhaling, but your focus, your concentration must be on the third eye. Then you will feel that you are respiring, you are inhaling and exhaling, you are breathing from your third eye. Surely you will feel, you will experience when you try to do that. In case if you are unable to do it, just call Babaji. Say, Babaji, please help me. He will take care of. He will do it for you. He is so compassionate. He is so loving. Just you call, he is ready to help you. He will stay in you, because I have a good experience when I was doing breath work. I did for 3 hours. Nobody did it since. The one who taught me, the guru, he said around the world she used to travel to teach. Never she saw a person doing breath work for 3 hours. She wondered. Because of Babaji, who came into my body and he did the breath work. That is his blessing for us. He is very kind. He is very kind and compassionate and loving. He wants everybody to do it. He wants everyone to enjoy. He wants everybody to be healthy. So while doing this exercise, each and every cell of your body will vibrate rhythmically, and you will see light in your cells. Light in the sense, the prakash, energy we will see, and we will enjoy. Enjoy in the sense you will go into that state of bliss that is called eternal bliss while you are doing all these techniques. From the second only you will immediately travel into the bliss state that is called Brahmananda. And also you will gain the sthiti that is Sunya and Samadhi. So to get Sunya and Samadhi is very difficult. Long period of, very, very long period of finance or meditation will one day make us to attain that state. Today you are going to attain that state of bliss, Samadhi and Sunya Sthiti. So third one is to inhale and exhale from your third eye. Like Lord Shiva, we all have third eye, but we are unaware of it. And scientists, spiritual scientists especially, they say there is calcification on the third eye, and which is connected with the pineal gland. And Muni, they say the pineal gland itself, the third eye. So these both are calcified, and so you have to remove that calcium by any kind of technique. The technique we are using is a breathing technique. It is just a breathing. The third step, in the third kriya, what you have to do is you have to inhale and exhale from the third eye. Try, you will definitely do it, because lakhs of people whom I taught, they tried, they succeeded. But thing is, today even if you open the third eye, but it is not sure that it will remain permanent, because you need practice, lot of practice. Then only whenever you want, you can see through the third eye. There is no question of opening, it will be there. Just focusing on anything you want to, using your eyes anywhere in the universe, you can see it through the third eye. It is already there. You have to energize, activate it. So in the third step, what we're doing is we have to inhale and exhale from the third eye. And in the fourth step, you have to take your inhale from the third eye into your brain. Pull it inside, straight inside the brain from the third eye. Go inside, penetrating, just dashing like, as if you are putting a needle through the third eye into the brain. In the same, you have to inhale from the third eye in the brain. And there it is somewhere. And where it is, where it's people's opinion land, I say because its shape is in the form of fire. and so the name was given pineal. So when you go through a video by David Wilcock, or if you write the video about the pineal, also Greek people, Egyptians, they are well known about this. The priest used to hold a stick. At the top of the stick will be a structure in the form of pineal. The presence of pineal gland in the brain. And when I asked the pineal gland, it said that I connect you to God Almighty every night. And also melatonin, which makes us sleep state while we are meditating. Not only while meditating, while in the sleep also, it produces melatonin, and which is like a alcohol like, and produces. So whenever we are meditating, people say, "Oh, I was sleeping." No, you were not sleeping. You are not sleeping. You went into a state that is called Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra. So that's why, because of pineal gland production of melatonin, we go into that state is called we go into a state of Nidra, sleep, that is called Yoga Nidra, while we are doing meditation. Now also we go into that state. Am I audible, Ashwini? People are saying not audible, cracking. Now it's okay? Yeah, I will start my video. It's okay? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Okay, thank you. So in the fourth step, what we have to do is we have to take or inhale into the brain, into the mind, and bring it back to the third eye. That is the fourth step. The fifth is same as third one. That is inhaling and exhaling from the third. You have to inhale and exhale from the third eye. From Sanjay Mehta, all mind location. What is that? Can you open your, start your video and ask me any question if you want? In the fifth step, you have to take inhale and exhale from the third eye. Later on, I will call you and I will tell you to open the third eye and see through that. So now you understood all the 5 methods of activating 5 kriyas of activating third eye and then later opening it. So anyone have a question, please ask me. Please ask me. You can start with your video and your audio speaker and ask me. Sanjay Mehta to all. Fifth one is the same as the third one. You can start your video and ask me, please, kindly. అశ్విని మీరు యూట్యూబ్లోకి పంపించడం లేదా? ఒకసారి మాట్లాడండి నాన్న. రికార్డింగ్ ఉంది, యూట్యూబ్ పోవట్లేదే. అశ్విని, కెన్ యూ హియర్ మీ అశ్విని? యూట్యూబ్కి వెళ్ళటం లేదా? హలో, యూట్యూబ్కి వెళ్ళటం లేదా? యూట్యూబ్లో రికార్డ్ అవటం లేదా? యువర్ వాయిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఆడిబుల్ టు మీ. ఓకే ఓకే, వినపడలా. ప్రాబ్లమా? వినపడలే, మీ వాయిస్ కూడా వినపడలా. ఒక ప్రాబ్లం అయినట్టుంది. హలో, వినపడుతోందమ్మా నా వాయిస్? Is my voice is audible? Okay. I cannot hear you. That's why I'm asking you to just adjust. Okay. Somebody is asking where is the location of location in the mind. Okay. So when you are doing, sir, I will give the practical experience for that. So while you are doing, you will know come to know that the location of the pineal gland, where it touches, the breath touches, then you will realize. Okay. And tomorrow I'm going to teach in the session evening. There is one pranayama, very, very excellent pranayama, with which you can activate our third eye and Sahasrara and pineal gland. So that I am going to teach tomorrow. You can bring your pen and book and write down, and you can also watch in YouTube this session. And you can tell your friends and family members and friends, whomever you know. Thank you very much. And now any question is there, please kindly ask so that we can make it very clear before attempting or practicing. And my number I have given Sanjay sir. Please, again I am going to tell you my number. Please write down 702 176 702 176 2348. My name is Shamala Devi Channa. I stay in Mumbai. 702 176 2348. Okay, so no doubt now it's clear. Number one is to do Anapanasati. Number two, inhale from the nose to the third eye and exhale from the third eye to the nose. Number three, inhale from the third eye only and exhale from the third eye only. Okay. And then number four is you have to inhale from the third eye into your brain, and it touches somewhere and comes back, and you are bringing it back. And all this done continuously. There is no break, no break. Continuously you have to go on doing, go on doing, go on doing. I will be guiding you all the time. So then fifth is, again you have to inhale and exhale from the third eye. Okay, we will start now. I told you every technique, Kriya, you have to do for 10 minutes, minimum 10 minutes. It is not times. It is how many times you have to do, but you have to do it certain period of time. That is minimum time is 10 minutes. You can do for 5 minutes also each technique, each kriya, and later on you can increase the time. Any more questions, please? So now we will start then. No questions. That's why we can start. And everybody, I hope that everybody understood all the techniques, all the kriyas of Babaji for opening. No danger at all. You will go into bliss state. Very, very, very beautiful bliss state. And you will heal yourself. No danger at all. Thank you for asking, sir. And who else? Any more questions, please? Why don't you open your video and then we can chat, no? Instead of reading and writing, it will be very quick process. Asking questions and answering this quick process, verbal, instead of typing the words.
Ma'am, this is Rashmi.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Reenu, Dr. Reenu. It is Dr. Reenu?
Yeah.
Shirohi.
Yeah.
Glad to meet you. Tell me, ma.
Ma'am, we said 10 minutes for each step, but when we are doing, we have to close our eyes. Means how to detect, how to know that 10 minutes is over. Means
No, it just see there is a provision in a mobile time you can keep for 10 minutes. There is alarm. I do that.
that.
Followed.
Okay.
There is a provision. There is alarm timing like that. 3 or 4
But all the
provisions
5
are there
kriya,
for putting.
but all the 5 kriyas are
Uh,
continuous process, na?
yeah.
But in between, so
Yeah. So I think there is one more provision is after 5 minutes, I do like this. What I do now, we keep alarm, no, for 10 o'clock. Then
okay.
again 10, 10:20, 10:30, 10:40 like that.
So
Followed.
we have to set
Alarm
the
at 10 o'clock.
we have to
For
set
example,
the
you are starting now 2 o'clock. Okay. Yeah. If you can practice like that on your own, but thing is, if you set the alarm, it's well and good. Okay, for your convenience. You can do more also, more time also. It depends upon your will and wish and the capacity with which you do. Okay, thank you very much. And
हेलो
any more questions? Hello.
हेलो
Hello.
मैं स्मिता बात कर रही हूँ मैडम। आप जैसे बोल रहे हो ना वैसे मैं कर रही हूँ और मुझे ऐसा फीलिंग भी आ रहा है बहुत जोर जोर से। फिर मुझे थोड़ा डर लगता है कि मुझे कुछ हो जाएगा ऐसा।
कभी से कर रहे हैं आप? कभी से
मैं आज ही आप ही से अभी कर रही हूँ।
अभी शुरू किया आपने? नो आप जरा सुनना था, बाद में मैं कराती हूँ ना, आपको डर नहीं रहेगा। मैं एनर्जी भेजती हूँ, डोंट वरी। डरिए मत, डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। मैं जब शुरू कम से कम जब थोड़ी देर के लिए मुझे गुरु समझिएगा। हम लोग के बीच में गुरु का ये नहीं है, परंतु जब सीखते हैं सभी को हम क्या करना है, गुरु समझ। అశ్విని నన్ను హోస్ట్ చేయవా? అందరిని మ్యూట్ చేస్తాను. అశ్విని నన్ను హోస్ట్ చేయి. అశ్విని హోస్ట్ చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ మేక్ మీ హోస్ట్. ఐ విల్ మ్యూట్ ఆల్ పీపుల్ అండ్ అన్మ్యూట్ whom I have to unmute. Please make me host, ma. Okay. So I do not allow the people to unmute. ओके अभी देखिए माँ, स्मिता जोईशर किधर से माँ? आप किधर से बोल रहे हैं? आपका अनम्यूट करती हूँ। ओके, हाथ ऊपर कीजिए, अनम्यूट कर देती हूँ, इजी होता है मुझे। स्मिता जोईशर, अभी अनम्यूट किया मैंने। स्मिता जी
हाँ
अब
मैं मुंबई से बात कर रही हूँ, मुलुंड से।
ओके थैंक यू माँ। अभी आप डरो माँ, डरो मत प्लीज, बिल्कुल डरने की जरूरत नहीं। बाबा जी को बुलाइए, मैं क्या बताया शुरू में, बाबा जी को बुलाइए, बाबा जी आपका पूरा ख्याल लेंगे, इतना विश्वास कीजिएगा। ओके माँ? ओके। जब भी शुरू करते हैं ना, जब भी बोलते हैं, बताते हैं, उस वक्त क्या करना है? सुनना है, करना नहीं। अब जब भी शुरू करवाते, गुरु जी समझो, कुछ भी समझो, और गाइड, तो तभी करना है। ओके माँ? अभी कोई प्रश्न पूछना चाहते हैं? एनीबडी प्लीज? एनीवन who want? रूपल, ओके रूपल जी अनम्यूटेड। रूपल जी बात कीजिए, अनम्यूट किया मैंने। रूपल जी अनम्यूट किया मैंने।
Namaste, ma'am. Just wanted to
नमस्ते।
ask, um, बाबा जी को बुलाना जरूरी है? It's a prayer we should do it, or we can.
No, not necessary. It is my prayer. If you want, you can do. Otherwise, not necessary. Babaji taught you. You must have reverence for him. Understood? There
Sure,
should
sure.
be thank.
Yeah,
You need some reverence. You should salute the person who is teaching you. Respect for the person, isn't it? So you can take his name. You don't want, I cannot help, but please kindly take his name. He will help you a lot. He will teach many techniques. He is teaching me so many techniques without going to any master. So that's, there is no religion feeling here. We are all one. We are all human beings. And all the masters of the universe, they are trying to give us so much of energy. Now that there is a shift. Because of the shift, they want to bring more knowledge, and they are changing our brain cells. Understood? So we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not giving chance for them to do. And when you sit in meditation, and if you say, I am allowing you to take care of me, whatever you want to teach, then they can interfere with us. Understood? Otherwise, if you don't give permission, they don't come.
Yes.
That's the thing. Unless until you ask for. Even God says, I am here with you, within you, but you are not asking me. So I am ready to give. The moment you ask, I am ready to jump into your and give you all the facilities. Okay, thank you, ma'am. What else
Yeah.
you want to ask?
Yeah, ma'am.
Any more person? No.
Brahmashi Patri ji also gave the same thing. I think I missed it. What was that? You said
What was it? What was
the same thing.
Brahmarshi Patriji said the same thing. What is that same thing he said?
I think you talk in आपने अभी talk में आपने बताया कि Patri ji also given the same thing. So I think I missed it or I mixed it. I'm not sure.
Okay,
But this
okay.
is
The
what
talk was missed by, no, while I was continuously saying that, just missed some of the part of that. See, Gautam Buddha, after finance, to give some kind of technique to people to come out of all the whatever problems are there, grievances are there, pains are there. So he meditated and gave a technique that is called Anapanasati. Anapanasati technique. And that was not given to us in the schools either, or by our parents or our grandparents, since they were also not aware of. So what happened, Brahmarshi Patriji, after knowing from his guru, he thought that it should be given to the whole universe. And that technique name is Anapanasati. Ana means incoming breath. Apana means outgoing breath. Sati means be with that. So it is not possible to be with that. It is only the way by mind focusing on that. You just feel it. You feel the sensation of incoming breath and outgoing breath. Am I correct? So that sensation, you have to focus the mind on that. That is witnessing your breath. It is called witnessing your breath. So this technique he taught to each and every one. And he went, he didn't sit in the house and call the people. He went to the people tirelessly, and he is always traveling from one place to other. Means not in one city, city to city, country to country is traveling, and he is teaching meditation all over. Okay, thank you, ma. It is clear, ma?
Yeah, thank you very much. Maybe it's more clear when we practice. Thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome, welcome. Anyone Who wants to put a question? Please, you can ask. No more questions. We will go ahead. No questions. Okay, clear? We'll start the process. So for Anapanasati, I will keep one small music, flute music, and just go on observing your breath. Now close your eyes, my dear friends, my dear Mahanatmas, dear souls, dear gods. Close your eyes. And when we sit in meditation, we have to clasp your fingers of both the hands, put those hands on your lap, and whoever is sitting on the chair, just cross your feet, one on the other. Maybe the left on the right or right on the left. Then you have to close your eyes. And those who sit on the floor or on the bed, they have to sit in Sukhasana. Sukhasana means what? Sukhasana means a comfortable posture which gives you to sit conveniently, comfortably for a longer period of time without any kind of disturbance in the body. That is also called Sukham Stiram Asanam or Stiram Sukham Asanam. Stiram means comfortably, sturdily, steadily. Asana means a posture. So in that kind of posture, there is no need to sit in Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana or Vajrasana. So you are very comfortable now and just go on observing your breath, sitting on the chair or sitting on the bed or on the floor with an asana. Rupal, your question I did not follow. You can make your own guide meditation first for time and use that, no need to remember. What is it? Rupal ji, please, can you repeat that verbally, if you don't mind? Rupal ji, can you hear me? Am I audible to everyone? Now you have to observe the incoming breath and outgoing breath. Go on observing your incoming breath and outgoing breath. We will observe it for about 5 minutes. While you do this technique, please do for 10 minutes. I gave you the suggestion, the idea how to keep the alarm. Go on observing your inhale. Whatever questions are there, please ask later after the completion of the session, after the completion of this Kriya, all 5. So you have to observe your incoming breath and outgoing breath. Okay, Rupal ji. Focus completely your brain or the mind on your inhale and exhale. Focus completely your mind on your inhale and exhale. Go on observing Your inhale and exhale. Your full focus is there on your breath, the incoming breath and outgoing breath.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Pairing.
Go on observing.
Paired.
Go on observing your incoming breath and outgoing breath. While you are doing this, you can play a mild music like flute music, or tabla music, or veena music. Then it will be better for you and pleasant to enhance your process of this technique. Go on observing your inhale and exhale. Be with your breath. Be with your breath, my dear friends, my dear Mahan Atmas, my dear gods. Full mind is focused on your breath, the incoming breath and outgoing breath. Just observing your breath, nothing else. Very easy, very, very easy. Full concentration of the mind is on the breath, on your incoming breath and outgoing breath. Be with your breath, the tender and very easy, peaceful breath which is coming inside our body and going out of our body. Peacefully, harmoniously coming breath inside the body and outside the, going out of the body. Go on observing your breath. Be with your breath. You are one with your breath. You are one with your breath. Go on observing your inhale and exhale. Your mind, you have focused completely on your incoming breath and outgoing breath. The natural, tender, soft breath which is coming inside the body and going outside the body. Mind is completely focused on your breath. Mind is witnessing completely the incoming breath and outgoing breath. Go on observing. Go on observing. Now you are one with your breath, nothing else. You are one with your breath. The natural, soft breath which is coming into our body and going out of our body. Go on observing your inhale and exhale, the incoming breath and outgoing breath. You are with your breath. Your full mind is focused on your breath. We will do this technique for 5 more minutes. Go on observing your inhale and exhale by focusing completely your mind on that.
One more minute, we will meditate. We'll just observe our incoming breath and outgoing breath. हम अभी बहुत अच्छी तरीका से अपनी सांस को, अंदर आने वाली सांस को और बाहर जाने वाली सांस को पूरा मन केंद्रित करके देख रहे हैं. You are observing, you are witnessing your incoming breath and outgoing breath by focusing completely your mind on that. Go on observing, go on witnessing your breath. You became one with your breath. Be one with your breath. Now we will go to the second kriya. Second kriya. Inhale from the nose to the third eye. Inhale from the nose to the third eye and exhale from the third eye to the nose. Pull your inhale up to the third eye as if you are inhaling with a inhaler, or when you inhale the flower, the fragrance of a flower, how you inhale, you just take it up. In the same way, you have to take your inhale up, pull it up to your third eye and bring it back to the nose. That is, inhale from the nose to the third eye and exhale from the third eye to the nose. Go on doing it. Go on doing without stopping, without any break. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. With your own effort, now you are taking your breath up to the third eye and exhaling the breath from the third eye to the nose. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. In Anapanasati, we just observed. We didn't do anything. Here, little effort should be taken to do this Kriya. That is, inhale from the nose to the third eye and exhale from the third eye to the nose. Go on doing it. Go on doing it without stopping. Without stopping. You are inhaling from the nose to the third eye and exhaling from the third eye to the nose. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. 3 more minutes we will do it. Babaji is with us. Whenever you feel like it is difficult for you, just invite him. Invoke him within you. That energy of him comes and helps you. And there is no need to worry about, because we are gods. We have that potential, that energy to do miracles. This is a very simple technique that you can do it. Only your intention, intensified intention should be there to do this. Inhale from the nose to the third eye and exhale from the third eye to the nose. Go on doing it. Go on doing it without stopping. Make it a continuous process of inhale and exhale. Inhale from the nose to the third eye and exhale from the third eye to the nose. Go on doing it. 1 more minute we will do it. You are inhaling from the nose to the third eye and exhaling from the third eye to the nose. Continuously you are doing the process. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. When you are doing this second Kriya, you feel so happy, blissful, and you will go into a state of emptiness, शून्य स्थिति. जब आप दूसरी क्रिया करते हैं तब आप शून्य में चले जाएंगे और एक आनंद स्थिति को पाएंगे. उस आनंद स्थिति को ब्रह्मानंद कहते हैं. सच्चिदानंद भी कहते हैं और कैवल्य भी कहते हैं। और आप एक समाधि की स्थिति में चले जाएंगे। हर पेशी में, हर कण कण में आनंद की अनुभूति पाएंगे। कभी कभी ऊर्जा भी देखेंगे। अपने शरीर की हर पेशी में ऊर्जा को भी देखेंगे। You will see light also sometimes, and you will see vibrations in each and every cell of the body, and you feel so blissful, happy state, blissful state. And it also goes and increases this blissful state. Finally, you reach eternal bliss state, Shunya state, emptiness, and Samadhi state, finance state. So go on inhaling from the nose to the third eye and exhaling from the third eye to the nose. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. Now, we'll go to the next Kriya, that is third one. In that, you have to inhale from your third eye only. The moment I say inhale from the third eye to the third eye and exhale from the third eye only. Inhale from the third eye and exhale. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. Don't think of anything. Just do it. That's all. You can do it. The moment you think, as soon as I say, so you will do it. If you can't, you just call Babaji. He will help you. He is ready to help. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out from your third eye. Go on breathing and breathing out from your third eye. This is a small breath work going on at your third eye. This place is also have the name Bhumadhya, Bhrukuti, and there is Agnya Chakra. If you want to fulfill any wish, create anything, manifest anything, if you inhale and exhale from the third eye, and after 20 minutes, you will go into little kind of trance, then you have to say what you want. Today, that is not the process we are going to do. I am giving little explanation for that. Wish fulfilling meditation, that is called, that you have to do at the third eye only. There is Agnya Chakra, you can give the Agnya command to get the thing to be manifested. So inhale and exhale from the third eye only. A small breath work is going on. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out from your third eye. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out from your third eye. Every technique to be done at least for 10 minutes. Do each and every technique for 10 minutes. It takes 40 or 50 minutes to do. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out from your third eye. Go on breathing in, breathing out from your third eye. Your full mind focused on the third eye. You are breathing in and breathing out from the third eye. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out from the third eye. Go on doing it, go on doing it. Breathe in, breathe out from the third eye. A small breath work is going on. A short breath work is going on. Up and down movement of the breath work you will observe there. While you are doing this, you feel some kind of sensation, some vibrations like numbness or heaviness or pain or light, means light will be visible there. Any colored light or green light or yellow light or golden light. This kind of sensation you will have. Sometimes you will also see out when you are doing this process. That means your eye, third eye is open and you can see it through that outside things, closing your physical eyes. Breathe in, breathe out from your third eye. Focus on your third eye and breathe in, breathe out from your third eye. Go on doing it, go on doing it without stopping. You are breathing in, breathing out from your third eye. A short breath work is going on at your third eye. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out from the third eye. Go on doing it. A short breath work is going on at the third eye point. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out from your third eye. Go on doing it. One more minute we will do it. You feel some certain kind of sensation there, maybe heaviness or lightness or vibration or tingling like sensation. You will see a bright light also, a spot of light, a dot of light at that point of third eye. You are breathing in and breathing out from the third eye. Go on doing it, go on doing it. Go on doing it. Breathe in, breathe out from your third eye. Now we are going to the fourth step where you have to take your breath from the third eye into the brain. Maybe you are taking from focus must be on the third eye. Always we take the breath from the nose only, but thing is, when you focus on the third eye, and pull the breath from the nose into the third eye and then into the brain. And your focus must be always from the third eye into the brain and back to the third eye. Go on doing it, go on doing it. Pull your breath from the third eye into your brain, mind. It goes and touches somewhere in the brain. There is pineal gland. I will tell you later and show you where it is. And usually when you put a needle from the third eye into the brain and one more needle from the top, where from the ears, if you draw a line to join both the ear sides and midpoint, from there if you put a needle, one more needle into the brain, where these two needles join, interact across, there is that pineal gland is. So, but when you are doing this technique, you feel some kind of sensation inside the brain, there the pineal gland is. So now you are inhaling from the third eye into the brain and exhaling from the brain to the third eye. Go on doing it. Go on doing it with effort. Inhale from the third eye into the brain and exhale from the brain to the third eye. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. All the time you are in the blissful state and in the state of sunya and samadhi while you are doing all these kriyas. Breathe in from the third eye into the brain and breathe out from the brain to the third eye. You can say, breathe in from the third eye to the pineal gland and from the pineal gland to the nose, exhale. You can talk to the pineal gland during this process also. We'll do this session later, talking with the pineal gland and knowing about it more detail, in more detail, in one more session in the future. You just inhale from the third eye into the brain, where it touches the pineal gland and come back, that is exhale from the pineal gland to the third eye. Go on doing it, go on doing it. We'll do it 2 more minutes. Breathe from the third eye into the brain and breathe out from the brain to the third eye. Inhale from the third eye into the brain and come back from the brain to the third eye. Go on doing it continuously. Go on doing it continuously. Inhale from the third eye into the brain and exhale from the pineal gland to the third eye. 1 more minute we will do it. Inhale from the third eye into the brain and exhale from the brain to the third eye. It's like an unbroken breath work. Continuously you have to do it. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. Inhale from the third eye into the brain and exhale from the brain to the third eye. Breathe into the brain. Breathe out from the brain. Go on doing it. 1 more minute. Go on doing it. You are inhaling from the third eye to the brain and exhaling from the brain to the third eye. In the brain, the inhale touches some place inside. There is pineal gland, and pineal gland gets activated, and all Satpurush and Muni and enlightened beings, they say that this pineal gland is nothing but the third eye. It produces DMT and melatonin. With melatonin, you will get some kind of drowsiness, sleepiness, sleepy feeling, nidravastha. That is not real sleep, that is yoga nidra. And DMT is needed for our body activities. If it is normally produced, then we will have radiant health. If it is not produced properly, less amount or more amount because of our mental conditions, so we will fall sick. So doctors, they recommend now, who were under the impression that this pineal gland is a vestigious gland. Now spiritual scientists and other scientists, they proved that this pineal gland produces DMT, which is more essential for our day-to-day activities to keep our health in a radiant position, healthy position. Now, in the fifth Kriya, inhale and exhale from the third eye. Go on inhaling and exhaling from the third eye. A small breath work is going on at the third eye. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out from the third eye. Breathe in, breathe out from the third eye. Go on breathing in and out from the third eye. The breath work is going on at the third eye. A small breath work, a short breath work, up and down movement of the breath work. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. A short breath work is going on at the third eye. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out at the third eye point. Go on doing it. Go on doing it. We'll do it for 1 more minute now. When I say open your third eye, it is already open actually, but we have to say like that and see through the third eye. I say see through the third eye. That is the correct word I have to use, but thing is we are used to open your third eye like that. So I will say open your third eye. And while saying, I count, before saying that, I count from 1 to 3. And I utter loudly the 3, the last digit, 3. Don't get scared and don't open your physical eyes. You have to open only third eye. You have to see through the third eye. You have to see through the third eye. And I will ask you to see outside. In front of you, behind you, besides you. Without traveling with the astral body anywhere, you can project your third eye and you can come to know about the thing which you want to know. You can focus this third eye to any part of your room or anybody in your native place, or you can also focus on the planets too. It depends how much energized your third eye, how much sadhana you have done. Accordingly, you will have that kind of ability, strength to see through your third eye. But you have to do this sadhana regularly. You can keep a particular time to do it. Otherwise, any time of the day is okay. Any time, any place, anybody can do it. Now you are ready. Your third eye is ready to open and see through that third eye. Don't open your physical eyes, please. Only see through your third eye. Open your third eye and see it. There is no lid for third eye. Like physical eyes have eyelids, but they don't have. Because of calcification, it is blocked. And so by doing this pranayama technique, Kriya, which was given by Mahavatar Babaji, you can decalcify and you can see through the third eye. Everyone has this ability. Now all masters, especially ascended masters, 21 masters are there. In India we call them by Devi Devata's names like Shiva, or Parvati, Mavatar Babaji, Sai Baba, like that. In abroad, they give different names to them. Whatever it is, but they are trying to come to the planet Earth and modify the cells of the brain so that we will get that position of that siddhi, ability, power. Now your third eye is ready to open and you are ready to see through third eye. You are inhaling and exhaling from the third eye. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out from the third eye. Breathe in, breathe out. All these takes during this process, you are in ecstasy, completely in eternal bliss, which you don't know, which you never experienced in the physical life, in the external world. After you have delicious food or you have a good relationship with everyone, whatever it is, but you never get this kind of blissful state, happiness. Only you get through meditation or while doing all these kriyas. And you are always in samadhi or sunya sthiti, emptiness. That emptiness is needed to know many things. Don't think you are going to emptiness, that means you are taking sleep. No, not at all. In the emptiness, everything is created. That you will come to know. That you will see with your own experience, you will perceive everything. After you go into empty state of mind, sunya sthiti, samadhi sthiti. To attain this, many people go to the forest to meditate, to do finance for a longer period of time. But being in the samsara, we can also do that, gain all these powers. Many powers you can gain only by doing meditation, only by going within ourselves. Now we are ready, you are all ready to see through your third eye without opening your physical eyes. Your third eye is so much energized now, completely energized, ready to open. We use the word open, but it is already opened. We have removed that calcium on that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Open your third eye and see through that. You have opened your third eye and you're seeing it. Seeing the things in front of you, behind you, and besides you. See. You can see what is there in your next room, outside. Try to see, project, focus, full mind on the third eye and see through it without opening physical eyes. Without opening physical eyes. You are seeing through the third eye. You are seeing the outside things. Even if it is dark, you can see with your third eye. That is the power of third eye. You can even see galaxies, planets, satellites, all these things. When you develop it, it needs a lot of sadhana. You have to do a lot of sadhana. And with interest, तमन्ना चाहिए, तरीका तो हमारा पास है, और साधना चाहिए. साधना करें तो मिले सब कुछ. और भावना चाहिए, विश्वास की भावना. यद भावम तद भवति. भावना क्षेत्र में विश्वास, पूरा विश्वास पैदा करना पड़ता है. श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम. कृष्ण भगवान भगवद गीता में कहते हैं. मैं कहती हूँ श्रद्धावान लभते सर्वम. जो भी श्रद्धा से करेंगे उनको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा जो चाहिए वो. So now you are seeing through your third eye. You are seeing through your third eye. See in front of you in the room. What are all the things, wherever they are. And remember, focus into another room, your third eye, and see what are the things there, and remember. During this process of activating third eye, you may get so many experiences. You may feel light, happy, blissful. Now I count from 1 to 10. After 10, you have to keep your hands on your eyes. Then I will count from 5 to 0. Then you have to remove your hands from the eyes and then slowly open your physical eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your hands on your eyes. Don't rub them. Your eyes are healed by this palm. You have to keep your center of your hand on your eyes. There is a lot of energy in the palm, in the mid part of that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Remove your hands and slowly open your eyes. Thank you, thank you, thank you for learning from me this highest technique of activating third eye and opening it, which was given to me by Lord Mahavatar Babaji. He is Lord Shiva, who came to the planet Earth as a human being. That I have seen him in 2, 3 forms during my breath work. Lord Shiva, he changed into Lord Shiva. My Satakoti Koti Koti Dhanyavad, Satakoti Koti Namaskaras to you all and Ashwini for arranging this program and giving me this opportunity to teach you the third eye activation and opening technique of Mahavatar Babaji, Kriya Yoga. Dhanyavad, Dhanyavad, Dhanyavad. Satakoti Koti Namaskaras and Satakoti Koti Dhanyavads to Mahavatar Babaji and Patriji and all other masters of 7 frequencies of the world. Light beings, light workers, they're all there with us to lead us. You can also invite while you are doing this technique or meditation or anything, light workers also, light beings also, if you want, otherwise okay. Okay, anybody have query, they can start their video, raise your hand so that I will unmute the person and you can, okay. And yeah, संजय मेहता जी बोलिए. बोलिए सर. नमस्ते सर. आवाज नहीं आ रही, पता नहीं आपका म्यूट हो गया सर. म्यूट हो गया, अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप. मैंने आपको परमिशन देती हूँ अनम्यूट कीजिएगा। ओके, अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप।
हाँ
ओके सर,
अच्छा,
अपनी
हाँ
बात
हेलो,
कीजिएगा।
हाँ कैन यू
हाँ
हियर मी ना?
बोलिए सर।
हाँ
या
मेरे को या हेलो, हाँ आई
हाँ,
आई
बोलिए।
आई मैंने एक्चुअली पर्पल लाइट देखा अभी आपने बताया ना, सी
अच्छा,
थर्ड आई में आप
हाँ,
देखो, और मेरे को आइस
हाँ,
देखा, आइस, एक आइस देखा, खाली आइस।
ओ ओके, वेरी गुड साइन, वेरी गुड साइन। गुड,
थैंक यू मैम,
सर, थैंक यू,
थैंक यू महापत्र बाबा जी,
थैंक
एंड थैंक यू अश्विनी जी, और आप
हाँ,
श्यामला देवी जी, आप और पत्री जी,
थैंक यू
और ऑल
सर।
द गेट मास्टर, थैंक यू।
Okay, sir. Thank you. Who else want to talk? Hello. Smita Joisha, I am unmuting, and you can start your video. Yeah, start your video, ma. स्मिता जी बोलिए।
हेलो, नमस्ते मैडम।
नमस्ते माँ।
मुझे अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा। और
डरा
शुरुआत
नहीं
में,
ना?
हाँ शुरुआत
डर नहीं
में
लगा ना?
आवाज आ
हाँ,
रही है? हाँ आवाज आ रही है।
हाँ, हाँ, आ रही
हाँ,
अच्छी
मुझे
तरह।
मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था मैडम शुरुआत में, इतना मतलब वो जो फील हो रहा था
हाँ,
ना ब्रेन में, तो एकदम जैसे एम्प्टीनेस लग रहा है ना, ऐसा फ्रीक्वेंसी जैसा रहता है, करंट जैसा। तो ऐसा मुझे लग रहा था डर, लेकिन फिर बाद में
अच्छा, अच्छा।
आपने बताया कि डरो मत, तो फिर आप माँ अवतार बाबा जी को बोलो, आपको हेल्प करेंगे। फिर बस मैंने आस्ते 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 उनको प्रे किया कि मुझे हेल्प करवा, तो फिर डर नहीं लगा। और आप जैसे जैसे बोलते गए वैसे ऐसे मैं करती गई।
ओह, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
वैसे वैसे मैं करती गई और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। एकदम अभी
अच्छा,
एम्प्टीनेस लग रहा है और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मैडम। सो
वेरी गुड।
थैंक यू।
एम्प्टीनेस चाहिए अम्मा,
हाँ
एम्प्टीनेस आएंगे ना,
हाँ
फिर
हाँ
उसके अंदर से ही ज्ञान मिलता जाएगा धीरे धीरे,
हाँ
और आनंद भी आनंद आनंद रहता है इसमें। कैसा
हाँ,
लगा? आनंद है, अच्छा
बहुत
लगा।
आनंद, अच्छा लगा।
हाँ, अच्छा लगता है। ओ
थैंक
थैंक यू
यू
अम्मा,
मैम,
थैंक
थैंक यू मैम,
यू वेरी
थैंक
मच, थैंक यू। और अभी कोई हाथ उठाए थे, प्लीज हाथ वापस उठाइए ताकि मैंने आपको अनम्यूट कर सकती हूँ, प्लीज। Renu Sirohi, Dr. Renu Sirohi, I unmuted as well as I have asked you to start the video. Just speak, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Start your video. And,
Yes,
yeah.
thank you so
Can I
much.
see you? Yeah.
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 हाँ,
Thank you so much. बहुत दिनों से मैं ट्राई कर रही
thank you.
हूँ, पता चले। और मैं भी ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ योगानंदा भी पढ़ रही हूँ, कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है। तो मुझे सिर्फ 3 स्टेप पता थे, मतलब फर्स्ट सेकंड, मतलब अप टू द थर्ड आई। तो मैं कई बार मैंने उसको ट्राई किया, लेकिन बहुत, जब वो सेकंड स्टेप करते हैं, ब्रीथ इन इनटू ओनली थर्ड आई, इनहेल एक्सहेल इन थर्ड आई, तो बहुत मतलब इरिटेशन, एक अजीब सा सेंसेशन होता था, और मैं फिर उसको स्टॉप कर देती, मतलब कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाती थी। लेकिन टुडे आई वाज एबल टू कंटिन्यू दैट, दैट वाज द इम्प्रूवमेंट। I remember Avtar Baba ji and able to continue, means complete my process today actually with you. So that is your energy.
The first time, no?
Yeah, first time.
Go on practicing it. I will come once again to revive you, give a revision, if at all possible. Otherwise, you can join our group. And
Yeah,
there
I
is
will
everyday
join.
practice is there.
Yeah.
Yeah, please take my number and call me. I will. Otherwise, I will send a message to Ashwini. I will tell her to send a message, and you please call me. I will include in my group. Okay.
Yeah. I want that.
Then the message will come to you. Yeah, you got the number. My number is there.
Yeah, I noted
I
down the
just put
number.
into the yeah. It is there in the message.
So, ma'am, why this irritation happens? Means I tried so many times.
Irritation
Yeah, irritation
happens because now you are not used to as well as some energies. We may call it as negative. They do not
Okay.
allow us to do that. So that
Okay.
time you feel no, I don't want to do it. So that's the thing. There is no need to worry about, but you call
Okay.
Babaji, always take his name, then he will
Okay.
take care of. He will just dispel all the energies, negative energies. Okay? Thank
Okay.
you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any question, ma? Yeah. Renu Sirohi, Dr. Renu Sirohi is over, and Rupal. रूपल मैंने अनम्यूट किया है, आप बोलिए ना.
Yeah, hello ma'am. Thank you for guiding us. Initially, the moment I asked Babaji to help me out, it was a rush of joy was there and the tears was coming out from my eyes and I was feeling very, very good. Then I just thought maybe in the tears and all, I'll be, missing out on the process. So I try to focus more on process. And I could go into the trance kind of state when I was inhaling and exhaling from my third eye. It was going into like something very unknown zone, which was like a drowsy state. It was for a while. Yeah. It was beautiful. A lot of sensation in the third eye.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You will enjoy.
I was asking help. I was in a gratitude, and the moment you say three, you counted three. I get a little bit scared. I mean, but I try to see the things around me. A glimpse I could see, not clearly I could see the things, but yes, the sensation from third eye was from quite a long I have. Even the third eye master can see my third eye is getting activated. So, I mean, it's quite beautiful, they say. I don't know, but yeah, but experience was really
But
very
you
good.
feel it.
Thank
you
you,
feel
ma'am.
it. Even you don't know, you feel it. That is knowing.
Exactly. The sensation was quite a lot. The glimpses were there. But the only thing, I was more concerned on what you are telling and asking the guide that I should be receptive to the process and I allow the process to help me out. I was continuously praying for that.
You have to give permission to whomever.
Thank you. Please add.
Call. You have to give accepting. I'm ready to accept whatever you want to give me like that. You should have that acceptance. Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. Yeah. And Geeta Haresh Dolakia. गीता हरेश ढोलकिया, आप अनम्यूट हो गए है, आप बात कीजिए. वीडियो.
जी मैम.
नमस्ते मैम. जरा आप आपके चेहरे पे थोड़ा ऊपर लगाइए ना.
अभी
हाँ.
आज जैसे ना आपने मेरा हाथ पकड़ के ही पूरा क्रिया करवाया, क्योंकि मैं आपका आवाज सुन के लॉस हो जाती हूँ पूरी. तो जैसे आपने बोला अभी जाना नहीं है, जैसे भी जाता था ना तो मुझे झंझोड़ की जैसे आज सीखना है, तो वो सिखा रहे थे आप, मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था. क्योंकि आपकी आवाज से ना मैं हमेशा आज तक जितने भी सेशंस हो, मुश्किल से मैंने कोई पूरा ऐसे पहले से एंड तक आपके इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो किए रहेंगे. तो आज पूरे इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो करके मैं आज मुझे लगता है दूसरा या तीसरा सेशन रहेगा सेकंड में से आज तक का मैम, कि मैंने पूरा आपके इंस्ट्रक्शन के हिसाब से किया. और मुझे लग रहा, और फिर भी मैं लॉस्ट हो रही थी तो मुझे ऐसे झंझोड़ रहा था, नहीं आज सीखना है, आज लॉस्ट नहीं होना है. और बहुत मस्त. थैंक यू मैम. और सब अपने आप हो रहा था. आप बोल रहे हैं ऐसे यहाँ से सांस लो, तो जैसे आप ही अंदर घुस के बोल रहे हैं कि अभी यहाँ से करना है, ऐसा मुझे फील हो रहा था. मुझे कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा. थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम. लव यू मैम.
थैंक यू. अपने आप हो जाता है. और भी क्रिया भगवान बहत्तर बाबा जी आपको सिखाएंगे. आप एक्सेप्टेंस करेंगे ना, बहुत बढ़िया क्रिया सिखाएंगे. इतना आनंद हो जाएंगे ना, आप रोमांचित हो जाएंगे. शरीर में इतना लहर उठेगी, अद्भुत अद्भुत जैसे लगेगा. आनंद आनंद. ओके.
जैसे खुशी के सागर में हम लोग घूम रहे हैं ना, वैसा मुझे फील हो रहा था. थैंक यू मैम.
सही. थैंक यू माँ. और कोई बोलना चाहते हैं? मैं सेशन अभी खत्म करती हूँ, और जो भी फीडबैक है ये नंबर में भेज दीजिएगा. अभी वापस मैंने दोहराती हूँ नंबर 702 176 702। मुझे दूसरी सेशन है, उधर से कॉल आ रही है, इसलिए मैं आई एम लीविंग द सेशन.
Okay, ma'am.
Write
Thank you.
down my number. 70, yeah, thank you very much. 702 176 2348. 702 176 2348. सब नंबर दिख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पे. आप कृपया. विनीता, थैंक यू माँ, थैंक यू वेरी मच. सभी को कोटि कोटि प्रणाम और कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद. हम अभी विदा लेंगे. एनी क्वेश्चंस यू कैन आस्क मी एनी टाइम ऑफ द डे. If at all, if I don't pick up your phone and it is switched off, I will see your number, I will call you back. Thank you very much. God bless you all. God bless you all. Babaji bless you all.